In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a virtual background to Microsoft Teams. This is a great way to personalize your meeting experience or to add a touch of professionalism to your calls. Whether you want to hide a cluttered room or just add a bit of fun to your meetings, virtual backgrounds can be a handy tool to have in your arsenal. To start, you'll need to log in to your Microsoft Teams account. If you haven't already done so, head over to the Microsoft Teams application on your desktop or open it through your preferred web browser. Once you're successfully logged in, you're ready to get started on setting up your virtual background. Now, before you join a meeting, you'll want to look for the Background Filters button. This is typically found on the screen where you see your video preview before officially entering a meeting. It's a helpful feature that allows you to choose how you want your background to appear to other participants before you join the call. When you click on Background Filters, you'll see a list of available background options provided by Microsoft Teams. These preloaded backgrounds range from professional office settings to fun, casual images, offering a variety of choices depending on the kind of look you're going for. Take a moment to explore these options and see if there's anything that catches your eye. If none of the pre-existing options suit your needs, you have the option to upload your own image by clicking the Add New button. This is a wonderful way to personalize meetings with a background that speaks to you. Maybe it's a picture of your favorite vacation spot, a branded image for your company, or just a soothing pattern that makes you feel comfortable. Make sure that the image is high quality and appropriate for mixed audiences to ensure that your background looks great during meetings. Once you've selected or uploaded an image, click Apply. This will allow you to preview how the background will appear with your video feed. It's a good idea to check the lighting in your space and how well the image blends with your appearance. Adjust as necessary to ensure everything looks just right. After you're satisfied with your virtual background, you're ready to join the meeting. Simply enter the meeting with the new background applied, and you're all set. Your virtual background will automatically be displayed to everyone else in the call once you're in the meeting. Adding a virtual background to Microsoft Teams can really elevate your online meeting experience. It's a simple process that enhances privacy, focuses attention on you, and adds a touch of personality to your video calls. Enjoy exploring different backgrounds and make each meeting uniquely yours. Remember, whether you're using a quirky image or achieving a more professional look, Microsoft Teams makes it easy to switch things up and keep your video calls fresh and engaging.